I'm coming in loud and clear. Might hear me on the radio. Breaker, breaker, 1-9. Anybody got their ears on?
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms, and tonight we get two treats. This is the first video being filmed officially in the new Farpoint Farms studio. And of course the power is not on quite yet, so the lighting may not be great, but this is where you can expect to find me from here on out. Now on to tonight's awesomeness. President, you know these guys, they make some great radios, they make some great gear. Well, President has a new mic. It is the microphone Digimike, and it is a noise canceling mic. The first bit of this will be filmed up here. The second bit, I'm gonna get in the car and we're gonna drive my car in varying conditions. We'll drive it in the rain. We'll drive it with the windows down. We'll drive it with the radio on low to see how well it is as a noise canceling mic. This is a noise canceling mic. It's a power mic, but it's a noise canceling mic. So if you're driving an 18-wheeler, this is probably the microphone that's going to interest you over the stock one. So let's go ahead. I'm going to get the camera a little closer in here. We'll unbox this thing, take a look at it, and we'll see what we see. And then we'll head on out to the car. Let's do it. Well, here it is. Not a very imposing little box now, is it? Let's set that aside. We'll get the manual out. I'll go through what it says here on the back. It does have the up-down buttons, and it does have 5 levels of noise reduction. It is a 6-pin mic. Comes with a nice little booklet here. It doesn't look very long, but it can't be that complicated to operate the mic, I would hope anyway. So the noise reduction setting, 0 through 5, 0 being off, level 1, and it says the LED glows for green for 3 seconds, and then so you can change through it. So all the way up to level 5, the green light stays on permanently at level 5. So that's the highest level of noise reduction. Just remember, and it's kind of interesting that noise reduction wise, you get a problem if you reduce too much noise because you're also reducing your own voice if you get carried away. There it is, nice long cord on that, and there's the mic itself. I like the neon green handle. I'll tell you this, it's about twice the weight of the standard microphone. And it does have the nice truck hook. See that right there? That's something that I wish all mics had, but that's got that going on. We do still have our channel up and down button, but now we have that. That's our noise reduction controls along with our channel up and down. Of course, it still has the spot on the back to mount it. And like I said, that nice green key. I love the feel of it. Like I said, it weighs at least twice as much as the stock one. And there's our 6-pin plug there. So yeah, let's see if it says here, made in the PRC, People's Republic of China. Model is Digimike. Has some serial number on there, and it's just, President. And it has a nice little President right there as well. Cool. Well, that is it for the inside part. What I'm going to do is set a camera up at the shop. I don't have my radio set up here yet. Set it up at the shop, turn the radio on, and I'm going to take a trip. I'm going to take about a 20-minute loop here. Of course, I won't put you through that much pain, but we'll listen to it in the varying ways that it goes. One thing I don't see here, when you look in the book, I don't think it takes a battery. Doesn't look like it comes apart too easy. Yeah, no battery. Must just be powered off of the mic, off of the radio itself, which is really cool. Okay, yeah, let's do it. So install's easy enough. Just literally unscrew the old one. Get rid of that. And we'll put the new one in. If I can line it up, one-handed. And that's it. Cool. Well, let's go for a ride.
All right. So we're going to start our test with the base mic. This is the base mic. Car's running at idle. No air, no fan, no windows down, nothing like that. Just cruising down the road at about 1,200 RPM right now. All right, I'm going to switch over to the other microphone so you can see. And here we are with the noise canceling microphone from President. So I don't know what kind of difference this will make as far as that this is, basically a pretty quiet condition for an automobile. I'm, again, 1,200 RPMs, and I'm just hanging out at, I got the fan turned off, no air conditioning, windows are rolled up, no radio on. Now, one thing I'm going to do before switching back to the stock mic is I want to show you, while we're still close to the house, what the different levels of noise cancellation look like. So I'm going to go ahead and change those right now. This is at its base setting. This is with it turned off, so no noise blanking whatsoever. So if you press and hold the button, it turns it off. You press and hold it again, it comes back on. So here it is with everything off, right? And now, before I switch back to the stock microphone, I'm going to turn the fan all the way up so you can hear a little wind noise, turn the air conditioner on and such. So let's do that. Okay, here we are. No noise cancellation. I've got the air conditioning on, the fan is on maximum, and the noise reduction mode is turned off. So I'm going to switch it now to noise reduction on. Okay, and so here we are at the highest level of noise reduction. This is level 5. So we're going to check that out with the fan on again. I'm still driving. I'm only doing like 20 miles an hour. I'm just coasting at this point. But the fan's on high. I do have my summer tires on, so no, it shouldn't be too much road noise at this level. But all right, so I'm going to turn the noise reduction down to like a normal level. I'm going to turn it down to 2, which is where I would normally leave it, and we'll see if there's any difference. Okay, so here we are with noise reduction level 2. I'm about 6 to 8 inches away from the microphone. Again, the fan is on high, and we're just cruising down the road about 1,200 RPM. Now I'm going to swap over to the stock mic real quick before we turn on some other noises here in the car while we continue our drive. All right, and for comparison, here is the stock mic without any noise reduction. I've got the fan on high here, and we're still just rolling through it at about 1,200 RPM, so nothing has changed except for the microphone. All right, next thing I'm going to do is add in some background noise. In this case, I'm going to add in some radio, and because of copyright issues, the only song that I feel comfortable using is my own, so I'm going to turn that on here right now, and we'll get back with the stock microphone and noise in the background. All right, so here we are, fan on high, air conditioning on, and Farpoint Farms theme song playing in the background. Again, now I'm at about 1,500 RPM. We're going up some hills and stuff, still averaging about 25 miles an hour. And so I wanted you to hear this. So now let's switch back over to the noise reduction microphone, and I'll let you listen to that. Okay, so here we are with the noise reduction microphone. We're at noise level reduction 2, which is where I intend to keep this for the most part. The fan is on. I'm holding the mic 6 to 8 inches away from the mouth, and the radio is playing. I got Farpoint Farms theme song playing in the background. I'm going to change the level to 5, and then I'm going to cut it off, okay? So let's change it to 5. Okay, so here we are on noise reduction level 5. Same everything, still about 1,500 RPM. Cruising down a normal paved road with summer tires on, but I got the fan on high, I've got the radio on high. And now, just because we have it on level 5, I'm going to turn the wipers on high, even though it's not currently raining. I don't know if that adds anything to it. It's not that noisy compared to the radio. The radio is really bothering me. It's kind of throwing me off my game, but I'm trying to talk while the radio is playing, and the wipers are on, the fan's on. So that's 5. I'm going to bring it back down to 2, and then I'm going to turn it all the way off. Okay, here we are. Wipers going, fan going, radio going on level 2. And I bet she's, I don't know, I'm kind of really curious to see just how good a job it's doing at noise reduction. Of course, the last thing to do would be to roll down the window. So let me do that while we're cruising. Hopefully you can hear me over the sound of the road noise now. With the window down, this car is a lot louder. The engine's, I've got a little bit of a muffler problem on this car. So there we go. And just to wrap this up, I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm going to switch back to the stock microphone. All right, there we go. We are completely off on the, this is the noise reduction mic, but I've got it turned off, and we've got the wiper going, we got the window down, we got the music playing, and just imagine a screaming kid in the backseat, and you've got your average automobile as he cruises around town. So that's that. I'm going to switch to the stock microphone just so you can hear the difference between this and that, and then we will wrap this video up. Okay, and that is back to the stock microphone. Hope you can hear me over the stock mic. And we got the fan on high, we got the radio going, we got the wipers going full blast, and we got the windows down while doing about 20 to 25 miles an hour, sitting about 1,400 RPM right now. Summer tires on the car. That is going to do it. I'll swap back to the good mic. I will turn off all this stuff, and we will wrap this video up. Okay, well, here we are. We've completed our training for the day, my friends. We took a little ride. I was a lot of stopping and switching stuff and then getting back going again, so I had a good time with that, but I will say it's one of the more crazy videos I've made. Usually I'm not stopping and unscrewing microphones and whatnot. But there it is. I wanted to give you guys a full assessment of what the president sounds like. Now, I've got this, again, hooked to the President McKinley, and I've got a Tram 3500 antenna on the roof. And that's been the thing. It's an overcast day, but it's not raining. But I hope I gave you an idea of what to expect out of noise-canceling microphones. There is a difference between power mics and noise-canceling mics. This one is a noise-canceling microphone, definitely geared towards your drivers. And so, this is just going to be something you definitely want to see in a dump truck or an 18-wheeler or a truck with all-terrain tires like my little Rabbit has in the wintertime. Something's going to make a lot of road noise. It'll certainly help with that. And that'll do it. I will, of course, always leave a link to where you can get one of these things. President has sent this to me, and I am so happy that they did so. And for those of you still watching the video at this late minute, hey, guess what? I will be at Dayton Hamfest Saturday, May the 20th, I guess it is, May 20th. I'll be there all day, wandering around the boneyard. And so if you see me, come on over and say hi, and we'll grab some lunch together. Till next time, my friends, take care.